Hi guys, it's Red. In this lesson we are going to talk about a new type, the Frozenset, which is very similar to the set type except it's immutable. So let's create the file. Lesson 23 hyphen Frozenset .py fs equals Frozenset parentheses square brackets 1, 3, 2 and print it. Print parentheses type parentheses fs fs and run it. So we printed our first Frozenset, which is symbolized with curly brackets instead of the square brackets we used. Unlike for the set, the numbers are in ascending order. Let's create another Frozenset using a different bracket. fs1 equal Frozenset parentheses 2, 4, 3, 6, 5 and print it. Print parentheses type parentheses fs1 fs1 and run it. Also in this case the parentheses have been replaced with curly brackets. That's because to create a Frozenset we used the Frozenset function, which takes an iterable and returns a Frozenset that is an unordered, immutable set of unique elements. Let's try something else. S equal curly brackets 1, 3, 2, 6. New line. fs2 equals Frozenset parentheses s and print it. Print parentheses type parentheses fs2 fs2 and run. As you can see, we created our third Frozenset. Now let's try some methods. Print parentheses fs dot union parentheses fs1 and run. Okay, let's try another one. Print parentheses fs dot intersection parentheses fs2 and run it. Let's try another one. Print parentheses fs dot difference parentheses s and run it. So those are the same method used in the last lesson. Let's try something new. Print parentheses fs dot symmetric difference parentheses fs1 and run. The symmetric difference returns the set of elements that are unique to each Frozenset. Let's try another one. Print parentheses fs dot is subset parentheses fs2 and run it. This method returns true if all elements of the first set are present in the second set. Let's try the opposite. Print parentheses fs dot is superset parentheses fs2 and run it. Now let's create another Frozenset. fs3 equals Frozenset parentheses curly brackets 3, 2, 1. New line, print, parentheses, fs3 double equals fs, and run it. As you can see, we get true. That's because they represent the same set of elements. Now let's try to iterate through a Frozenset for element in fs3 column, new line, print, parentheses, element, and run. Now let's recap. Lesson 23 hyphen Frozenset. We learn about the Frozenset type. We learned about the Frozenset function, and we learn many methods: union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, is subset, and is superset. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.